Right, that's Zopo Speed 7, and let me show you how to enable developer options on the following device. So at first, let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should scroll down to the very bottom of the list and open About Phone. Now scroll down one more time and keep tapping on build number, so just like that. And as you can see, you are now a developer. So let me go back, and here you will notice developer options, so they just appeared. Let me open them. And as you can see here, you've got plenty of very advanced features. So it's like stay awake, OEM unlocking, process stats, allow mock location, and many others. So now you can use your device as a developer. So then if you would like to switch them off, if you would like to deactivate those options, simply tap on this switcher, and that's it. From now on, they are deactivated. So actually, that's it. That's how you can enable and use developer options. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.